Remove the 6 screws on the countertop. Installing pillars. Fix the position and tighten the screws. Remove the 4 screws on the left side. Installing laser. Unscrew the screw on the right monitor bracket. Installing the computer stand. Remove the 6 screws on the back of the computer. Fix the computer on the bracket and tighten the screw. Connect the computer power and signal cables. Connect the power cord of the marking machine. Connect the foot pedal. Connecting the rotation axis. Placing secondary platforms. Place the rotation axis in the appropriate position. Fix the rotating shaft and tighten the screws.